Welcome, everyone. Today, we delve into a strategy that can transform the way you manage your money. Ever heard of the 50-30-20 rule? This rule is designed to help you allocate your income wisely, ensuring financial stability and growth. Let's break it down. The rule suggests dividing your after-tax income into 3 categories. First up, needs, 50%. The foundation of your budget. 50% of your income should go towards your needs. This includes essential expenses like housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, and insurance. Think of it as the must-haves for your day-to-day life. Covering your necessities is crucial. It ensures you have a roof over your head, food on the table, and the essentials for a comfortable life. Wants, 30%. Now, the fun part, 30% of your income is allocated to your wants. These are the non-essential expenses that make life enjoyable: dining out, entertainment, travel, and personal indulgences. This category allows for flexibility and personal enjoyment. It's about finding balance in your lifestyle without compromising your financial goals. Before we go the last part of this rule, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips. Savings and debt repayment, 20%. Last, but certainly not least, dedicate 20% of your income to savings and debt repayment. This includes contributions to savings, retirement accounts, and paying down debts. Building your financial future requires discipline in saving and managing debt. This 20% is your ticket to long-term financial security. Now, to make the most of this rule, consider setting up automatic transfers for your savings, track your spending regularly, and reassess your budget as your financial situation evolves. Remember, the 50-30-20 rule is a guide. It's adaptable to your unique circumstances. Whether you're just starting out or reassessing your finances, this rule can be a game changer. Take control of your money, and you'll be on your way to financial success. Until next time, take care and make the most of your money.